Hey everyone, this is Alex for PolymomoTea, and today I have a video showing you how to make these cute little cats out of polymer clay. And this is kind of like a basics video on how to make simple animals. So we're going to start with the cat head. So we're going to take a ball of clay and flatten it out into an oval shape. For the body, we're going to take the ball of the same colored clay and roll it into a teardrop, and we're just going to cut off the thicker end, which will then be attached to the head. Then taking my needle tool, I'm just blending the two parts together so it's less likely to fall off. So next we're going to make the ears, so we're going to take some clay and roll and flatten it out into like a flat carrot shape. And we're going to take kind of like a flattened oval shape and place it in the middle for the inner ear. And cut it at a slant. And place the two ears on top of the head. And then for the arms and legs, we're going to take the same clay and roll it out into a skinnier carrot shape and cut off the end. So we want to cut out 4 pieces, 2 for the legs, and 2 for the arms. For the tail, we're going to take some clay and roll it out into a cylinder shape and cut off the end. For some extra stability, I'm going to take some wire and cut off a small piece and place it into the body, and we're going to attach the tail onto the wire. And then we're going to decorate the face, so I'm just giving it 2 simple flat circles for the cheeks, 2 dot eyes, and 3 little lines for the nose and mouth. So here I have my finished cat, Chibi, and it's super tiny and super adorable. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I also made a couple different color variations so you can kind of have fun with the different cat designs. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if you want to see other animals in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.